The Inqibee Tri-ply Stainless Steel 8.5 to 12-inch sauté pans are a fantastic addition to any kitchen. And they are also great for RV camping. This deep frying pan set offers versatility for various cooking tasks. And the tri-ply stainless steel ensures even heat distribution. Customers will appreciate the durable construction, which promises years of reliable use. The detachable handle is a clever design, making storage easy in tight spaces. And it also allows for oven use without the handle getting in the way. These Inqibee Tri-ply Stainless Steel 8.5 to 12-inch pans are crafted with a responsive aluminum core, sandwiched between two layers of stainless steel. This tri-ply construction enhances heat conduction, allowing for quick and uniform temperature across the cooking surface. You can sauté, fry, and even bake with these pans. And they work well on all stovetops, including induction. The stainless steel interior offers a safe cooking experience, and it is easy to clean. Plus, these pans are dishwasher safe, saving you precious time after cooking up some culinary shenanigans. For those who value beauty and practicality in their cookware, the Inqibee Tri-ply Stainless Steel 8.5 to 12-inch set delivers. The polished stainless steel not only looks elegant but also offers some stick resistance, making cooking more enjoyable. While not a non-stick surface, proper seasoning can enhance this protection against food sticking. The set is oven safe to a certain temperature, expanding your cooking options. Investing in these pans is not just about buying cookware, it's about enhancing your overall cooking experience, whether at home or on your RV adventures. Pros: durable steel, food grade, all stovetops, induction ready, dishwasher safe, oven safe. Detachable handle, easy storage, RV camping use, deep fry capable. Cons: only cover received by some. Thinner steel may cause hot spots, uneven heating possible, may need more oil for non-stick, cleaning sometimes requires effort, potential for food sticking. Possible: thinner stainless steel, instant quality reported, warranty may not apply if international, instructions may not be in your language. Features: tri-ply stainless steel 8.5 to 12-inch sizes, deep frying pan set, for home and RV, induction ready, detachable handle, dishwasher safe, oven safe, sauté pans included, versatile cookware. This Inqibee cookware set has sauté pans and deep frying pans in sizes from 8.5 to 12 inches. They are made with 3 layers of stainless steel. This makes them strong and good for cooking at home or in an RV. The pans can be used on all kinds of stoves, even induction ones. The handles can come off, which is good for saving space. You can wash these pans in the dishwasher and use them in the oven too. They are made to be useful for many different ways of cooking. This Inqibee pan set is made of strong, food-safe steel and can be used on all kinds of stovetops, including induction. It's safe to put in the dishwasher and oven, and the handle can come off to save space, which is handy for RV camping. You can even deep fry in these pans. However, some people only got a cover. The steel might be thin and cause hot spots, and it could heat unevenly. You might need more oil to keep food from sticking, and cleaning might take some work. Also, food could stick. The steel might be thinner than expected. The quality might not always be the same. The warranty might not work if you bought it from another country. And the instructions might not be in your language.